Hello and welcome to 3D Printronix. In today's video, we will see how to create an account in Easel and how to use Easel with Workbee CNC router. In order to use Easel, you will go on the website inventables.com, go to the tab Easel. After that, you will click on the tab Explore Easel. This page will occur. You will click on Sign in through Inventables. And here you will see that it will show the account status. Since we have already created an account on Easel, that is why it was showing our email address and password here. But if you are a new customer, you will click on the tab New Customer. Your details here, that is your email address, full name, a password, and click on Continue, and your account in Easel will be created. Once your account is created in Easel, you will click on Continue, and you will click on New Project, and you will now log in into your Easel account. This is how the Easel interface looks. But please note, once you log in into your Easel account, it doesn't mean that you can straight away start using your Workbee CNC router. In order to use any GRBL based CNC router with Easel, you will first have to set up that machine in Easel, which means that you will have to give input of the various parameters of your machine into Easel. For setting up your machine, do not connect your machine yet. Just log in into your account and click on Machine and go to this tab, Set up your machine. Once you click on this, you will enter on this page. Now here we will input various settings or parameters of Workbee CNC router which you have. So in machine type, we will click on Other GRBL. In model, we will select Open Builds. In motion controller, we will select Arduino and G Shield. Rail size 1000 mm, lead screw Acme threaded rod, and in spindle we will select Other and click on Max RPM 30,000. Now once you have entered all the settings of your machine, you will click on Confirm Settings, and now the Easel will ask you to plug in your machine. Now you will power on your machine and you will connect the black box to your system via the USB cable. Once you connect, Easel will automatically detect it, and now it will ask you to test your wiring, which means that once you click on these arrows, the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis must move in the correct directions. That is, if you click on this right arrow, the machine in x-axis must move in the right direction, and when you click on the left arrow, machine should move on the left side in x-axis. Similar is with y-axis. If this arrow, then it means that machine should go away from you in y-axis, and on this arrow machine should come towards you. In z-axis, it means on this arrow it means the z-axis must go up, and in this the z-axis must come down. Once you click on these and all the things are working properly, you will click on yes, yes and yes, and then again you will continue. Here in the spindle settings, you will enter manual because we are using Makita router, which we will save the spindle preference. It will ask you to set up your homing switches. Since we provide limit switches in Workbee CNC router, you will click on Yes, Enable Homing, and you will click on Start Homing Sequence. Once you click on this, you will see that your machine will start homing. The Z-axis should move up first and click the end stop and stop, and then X and Y will start moving towards their limit switches. Once the homing of the machine is complete, this sequence will automatically stop, or if you think that there is anything going wrong, you can also click on the stop button to stop the homing sequence. Now once you reach this step, Easel will ask you to set up your Z probe. But here we will not set up the Z probe and we will click on the no option, because we are going to use easel only to generate the G code for our Workbase CNC router. We are not going to send our G code to our machine using easel. We will use OpenBuilds control software to send our G code to our machine, and in OpenBuilds control Z probe option is already set up, so we will use that option to set the Z probe, and that's it. Now you have set up your Workbase CNC router in easel. You will click on finish, click on new project, and now you will log in into your easel account. Now you can see that these buttons are green, which means that your machine is now connected to the easel software. But here we don't use easel to send the G codes. We simply create a G code and we will download. Once we click on generate G code, we will download that G code and we will use OpenBuilds control to send that G code to our machine. So this was a short setup video of how to use easel with Workbase CNC router. Thank you.